Title: New Single DC Source 5-Level Boost Inverter Applicable to Grid-Tied Systems. Abstract. The main objective of this project is to propose a new single DC source 5-level boost inverter applicable to grid-tied systems is employed. A groundbreaking single DC source 5-level boost inverter tailored for grid-tied systems. The inverter's innovative design combines multiple voltage levels from a single DC source, enhancing efficiency in grid integration. Here is our website, which you can find the 𝗙𝗍 projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From 𝗙𝗍 simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references. Results. In this project, the schematic of the 5-level boost inverter has been illustrated. This structure is a modified version of the presented inverter. The proposed structure is a combination of a CMOS DC-DC boost converter and a multi-level inverter. Since the inverter side is a 5-level inverter, in the DC side, a single input 2-output DC-DC converter is required. The implemented 5-level inverter is a 6-switch inverter, and this inverter is connected to the 2 output capacitors of the DC side. In this project, in conclusion, the development of the single DC source 5-level boost inverter represents a significant step forward in grid-tied systems. This innovative technology streamlines energy conversion processes, reducing losses and enhancing the integration of renewable energy sources into the grid. Its practicality and efficiency offer. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.